Hello, my name is KPS.MAX, and in this video I will show you the new features of version 4.6 in KPS.MAX. For the first new feature, let's click on Menu, Master Data, Catalogs, and we'll select a desired catalog. Here you can configure whether items are eligible for discounts, including in manufacturer catalogs, as well as their general planning availability. Let's start with the planning availability. For example, you don't want your designers to include washing machines from Nobilia catalog in their plans. To do this, I search for washing machine and enter the corresponding pricing qualifier. Next, I activate the selected items and can enter a No for designable on the right in the inspector. From that point on, the items are blocked in the design and can no longer be selected. The same principle applies to the discount eligibility. You can select one or more items. In this example, I choose an oven. On the right in the inspector, I deactivate the checkbox Item Discount Eligible. During a catalog update, the data you've entered is saved, so there's no need to re-enter it each time. Let's open a design to check this. When we search for washing machine, we can see that no items are available in the design, as we have blocked them for all sales. Next, we select the oven and go to the shopping basket. We can see a note there in the bell column that the item is not discount eligible. In the inspector, as usual, we can see the prices, but cannot override them. In the price center, we can also see if the design contains items that are not discount eligible. In the next context documents, we create a sales contract. On this sales contract, we can see an asterisk next to the price of the oven. And at the end of the document, the legend says no discount eligible item. However, this is only shown if you have selected a document with individual prices. Let's continue with a new feature that lets you import your own colors and materials that you can use for walls, floors, and many other items. To do this, go to Menu, Manage, Own Materials. Here you can see the materials that I already created. Use the following button to add more materials. For example, you can download a photo online and then select it here. Now let's go to the design, select the floor, and click on Select Material. This will take us directly to the Own Materials area. Use the plus symbol to go to the materials created in the menu, which you can now select for the design. We'll choose the gray tile. Click on Apply and then Next. You will already be familiar with this area. Here you can customize the tile layout as usual. For example, using the linear pattern with your preferred dimensions. Click Apply to transfer the customized material to the design. Using this same principle, you can also customize room elements, furnishing parts, long parts, decorative items, and so on. Next, we'll take a look at the long parts context in the floor plan. As you already know, you can define the dimension out of the cutout items. Now, however, you can choose exactly how would you like to size them. For the next new feature, we go to the Documents context in the Order overview. You will see the order release area on the right in the inspector. If the designer has finished planning the kitchen and would like to pass it on to the technical order control for review, for example, then the order approval checkbox can be activated. This is then documented in the order overview. And you will also see that the status has changed to sales contract order approval in the customer overview. From this point on, the design is locked for the designer. It can only be opened in the read-only mode and can only be edited by employees with the appropriate permission. The designer can only make changes again once the checkbox has been deactivated in the design. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.